Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, going to show you how you can sell Pi token. So first up, go to your browser and search for wobi.com. So type right here in the search box, and you will now go to this page, Trade Crypto only on HTX. So once you log in with your account, just click on this assets right here at the top right of your screen. So basically, if you hover your mouse right here, you'll find some options. So click this assets. Now from here, if we're going to click on deposit button right there, and then if you're going to search for Pi, for example here, so please choose Pi. And as you can see the result here at the bottom, under the Pi network, it says that deposit suspended. So how can we sell Pi token? The basic way here, if you have already a Pi balance, you just need to go to trade and then go to spot. So once you click on spot, you'll find this page right here, and then go to the search box at the top left, search for Pi. You'll find the result, Pi USDT, so click this one. Now here, you just need to scroll it down, and under this one, sell Pi, enter the amount that you want to sell, for example, 50, and then you will basically receive 2045 USDT. Or if you want to reduce this one, you can basically edit, for example, if you just want to sell 5 Pi, you will receive 204 USDT. And then click on sell Pi. So that's it. That's how you basically sell Pi token. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.